First, establish a move-in deadline for yourself and commence your search around 2 to 2.5 weeks before the deadline. Avoid starting earlier, as most available properties tend to be taken within a week or two. Next, choose the exact area where you would like to live. Take the time to explore the neighborhood firsthand by driving around, ensuring it is a comfortable fit for you. Then, seek out an experienced realtor. They'll handle the heavy lifting, including property searches, scheduling, viewings, submitting documents, and negotiations. You'll receive top-notch service while your agent takes care of everything. Plus, the great part is that the agent payment is often covered by the landlord. Gather a comprehensive rental package and share it with your realtor. This enables your realtor to pass it on to potential landlords for their viewing and approval or denial. Doing this prevents you from spending $50 to $60 each time for credit checks, only to be denied later. Stay on the top of your communication game by promptly responding to your agents' or potential landlords' requests. Be accommodating and available for property viewing, especially in the current super competitive market where each rental home typically receives a minimum of 3 applications within the first 2 to 3 days. If you are serious about securing a rental home quickly and smoothly, regardless of the market condition, here's a step by step guide for you.